Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something really exciting to unbox. It's the Deity D4 Duo microphone, and we'll dive in deep into the features, performance in the other video, but today is just a quick glance and what's in the box. Let's jump in right now into the unboxing of this mic. As you can see, it comes in the sleek packaging. It tells you no batteries are needed, and it has a wind protector, shock support by Rycott, and one on the back. We have top features that are easy to use, no batteries are needed. Again, switch between mono and stereo, auxiliary audio input for lavalier microphones included, 2 furry windscreens. As you can see inside the packaging, there is instructions paperwork which clearly shows what you need to do and how to use the microphone. As usual, things are flying out of the package. If it was a different settings, I would have lost a little converter from the 3/8 to 1/4 inch mounting point. There's this fancy shock mount, which again will keep the microphone secure. And this mic is pretty tiny. So here's how you convert the mount from 3/8 to 1/4 inch. The first thing you notice is build quality. It's well balanced and it is lightweight at 57 grams without windscreen. That's pretty light. It has separate channels front and back microphones, allowing you to adjust and process your audio during the editing. The D4 Duo works excellent for that. If you prefer to use one of the capsules, you can just simply switch the mode to mono. And there's an extra 3.5mm input for converting external devices like lav mics or wireless systems, providing more versatility with a second channel recording. Here's another cool thing about the microphone. I have Sony a7S III, and the texture of this mic is very close to the texture of the Sony camera, which is a good touch for aesthetics reasons if you care about that. For some odd reason, putting the microphone back into the shock mount is challenging, and I don't know if it means to be this way, that it tilts down just a little bit. Well, maybe not, but it makes sense if you're filming something, you want microphone to point at the chest of the talent. And especially if you're filming and you're trying to capture yourself with that backwards facing mic, you definitely want it to be facing just a little bit up, because let's be honest, when you're holding the camera, you're holding it lower than your face and your mouth, right? Okay, after putting all the fuzzies on the microphone, you can see it adds some bulk to it, but it does look pretty cool with all the yellow cords and yellow tags. I think it doesn't look that bad. In conclusion, Deity D4 Duo microphone is all about versatility. With this dual capsule, separated channels, and additional input, it is a valuable tool for a wide range of recording scenarios. Like, for example, if you're a content creator, vlogger, videographer, you name it, it will absolutely support whatever you're trying to do and capture good audio or foley, whatever. So that is it for unboxing the Deity D4 Duo microphone. Stay tuned for a full review where I will test the sound quality and performance of different scenarios and compare it to other microphones in that size and category. If you use this mic, please let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, like, subscribe for more reviews and tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.